What up, guys? Chris here, or Rory, whichever you guys know me as. Today we're at 1K Miami. Brought in some new pieces for this F8. We haven't named the set yet. Normally we name our wheels like CF dash, whatever, but this is a brand new design to us. This was strictly designed for this car. This car is owned by the fleet of 1K Miami here. And we did a 21, 22 configuration, so 21 in the front, 22 in the rear. We're just test fitting right now just to see how it looked. We're gonna drive them over to the tire shop right now as we're still waiting on our tire machine at 1K. Obviously, we're gonna be doing a lot of wheels here, so we have to get a tire machine here. Front wheel, not so much concavity just because of how big the caliper is. We pretty much maximize as much concavity as we could on this design before hitting the brake caliper, so we're like this much off from the brake caliper, which, we perfect our craft. Some cars we actually have the clients, if there's a local shop close to the client, if the client's not local to us, we have them take the wheels off, give us hard measurements so we can maximize concavity and not be every other wheel company trying to be on the same offset. We try to be different but make it perfect and show the clients happy. The rear wheel caliper is also very huge, but it's way further in from the quarter panel. And with this configuration, we decided they had me pick, which I like to do. Sometimes I just like to be all in. If the client lets me do my thing, I always make it perfect. They wanted to go black, and I'm like, nah. I'm like, white Ferrari F8, definitely polished. And some people will still stick to the name of chrome. I get it, it's a chrome look, but we polish all our wheels, hand polish, and then clear coated right after. Sometimes we won't clear it if the client requests it, but clearing it always just makes it better for whether you want a ceramic coat or, anything of the client's choice. In the next piece of this, you guys will see the car will be lowered on the floor and you'll see the wheels on properly.